Ethereum is seeing a nice little bounce today along with the rest of the crypto market. Now, this is coming after a mild caution reading with a green dot here on Ethereum this weekend. While it's not as bullish as I'd like to see for a full on reversal, we may see a nice little recovery before a drop back down. Let's talk about what this looks like and what you can do to maximize your profit, especially when the price does actually drop. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and over the last 33 months, we've earned 314 wins and 0 losses. And that was with our previous indicators, the TC top and bottom finder, price versus wall money flow, and trades in favor. These indicators are accurate, especially when you combine risk management, but our brand new market cycle highs and lows and pro trade manager absolutely blow them out of the water. And I'm going to show you what that looks like today. For our members who are getting the maximum discount on the Black Friday sale, by the way, more on that later. As a member, you get access to this last future forecast video talking about a potential for a massive sell-off with Bitcoin dropping to $65,000 incoming. If you're not a member yet, sign up at the links in the description down below. And with that, let's get started. We're trading Ethereum USD on the daily time frame with the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager. Right now, we sit in the purple mild caution area, and this essentially means that retail traders are starting to feel a little nervous. They're feeling a little worried, but they're not really scared yet. And this means that more than likely, we have plenty of further room for the price to drop. Traditionally, in Ethereum, especially looking towards the beginning of 2025, it's not until we see caution, concern, or even fear right around this area that we find a bottom before massive moves up. So this tells me we're likely to see a continuation. Just about every time we see a purple reading, we finally see at least a caution reading before moves up. So this is what I'm going to be looking for before this drop actually ends. We want to see a caution signal, which is indicated by a blue price line. Yes, we do have some green dots that did call the bottom, and these are typically great dollar cost average entries. Most often, they are resulting in moves to the upside. But here's the deal. If we can get a green dot with a caution or concern reading here on Ethereum, this is much more likely to be the actual bottom and therefore the ideal entry before moves back up. Money is made when you make an ideal entry towards the bottom. Yeah, of course, money is made when you sell, but the real wealth is created by buying low. So that's what we're going to be looking for. Let's set some alerts. I don't want you to miss this. Head to the alerts tab, click create alert, switch this to the Pro Trade Manager. It's going to default to long entry, short take profit. Once per bar close, click create, and this alert is going to let you know when we receive a green dot. And it's going to do that every time we get a candle close with a green dot. Next, switch this to the market cycle highs and lows, and we're going to be looking for caution. Caution seems to reliably call at least close to the bottom. Go ahead and click create. You can actually set another one for concern. But for me and my purposes, caution is close enough to catch near or the actual absolute bottom of a move before larger pumps. This is what we're looking for on the daily. Look for that blue or kind of a dull turquoise line. Look for a green dot at the same time, and this could be the ideal entry opportunity. Our older indicators, the TC top and bottom finder, price versus wall money flow, and trades in favor are responsible for our 314 win, 0 loss win streak over the last 33 months when combined with the risk management strategy built into the TC top and bottom finder. By themselves, the indicators are about 78% accurate based on our trading record. It's that risk management that brought up that full 100% win rate. Guys, the market cycle highs and lows in combination with the Pro Trade Manager are far more accurate and back-tested to prove it. You can get access to all of these indicators and more for our Black Friday sale, and our members can get access for $200 off each of these AI indicators. Also, the volume bubbles here, we haven't gone over that today. I will later. Each of these is $200 off. And that's only $50, actually less than $50 to get started as a member. And you're saving $600 off these indicators. You're saving another $250 off the Pro Indicator Pack and $400 off the TC Top and Bottom Finder. If you purchased any of these indicators, I want to just say thank you. We're going to give you 60% off each of the AI indicators if you email in at betradeconfident@gmail.com. On top of massive indicator discounts, members get access to money-making benefits like the future forecast episodes and trade setups. Links are in the description to sign up. Be sure to do that for maximum discounts. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for that future forecast coming out tomorrow. Don't miss out.